Do you also own a photography studio business and want to connect with all of your customers over WhatsApp and share them your latest offers, services and prices without manually doing anything? Then you are at the right place. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your photography studio, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, message template is created. In step 2, broadcast is created using message template, and in step 3, scheduled messages are sent. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works. Welcome back to my screen, photographers. Now before telling you how to create a broadcast WhatsApp message for your photography studio, let me give you a quick real-time example of how it works and how easily you can send WhatsApp messages to a predefined list of contacts through broadcast, which is perfect for announcement, promotion and timely updates. So now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So here, as you can see, this broadcast message which I have received. Hi Nishi Ravit, that is my name. We have got something picture perfect for you. Book your pre-wedding session now and enjoy an exclusive offer of just rupees 5,999. Also, they have mentioned some details like session included, 30 edited photos, 1 printed album and also makeup and styling. Also, they have told me the available dates, that is 11 to 15 July 2025. They have mentioned their studio address as well, Pixel Frame Studio, Bhopal. Also, they have given me a call to action over here for contact us. So similarly like this, if you also own a photography studio, you can create the same broadcast message and tell all of your customers about your exclusive offers, rates and services. So let me tell you how you can create this. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. The community where business owners and tech minds connect, share work, solve problems together and grow with real support and ideas from like-minded people. To join the Pabbly community, we have the link mentioned in our description below. For creating a new broadcast message, you have to go on this new tab option. Here on the search bar, you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on this page, you can see this option, sign up for free. It is for new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we have to scroll down, come to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this Add WhatsApp number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have 2 ways to connect it. One is WhatsApp Connect and second is Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, here we have some icons over here. Firstly, let me tell you what is dashboard. Dashboard where we can overall view statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Secondly, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from user in real time. Third one is contact. Here we can manage our contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Here on 6th number, we have broadcast message, where we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using template. We'll be using this today. Now on 7th number, we have flows. Here we can build and automate chatbots flows for WhatsApp conversation. On 8th number, we have AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate reply. On 9th number, we have activity logs, where we can view logs of all our recent activities and system operation. On 10th, we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. On 11th, we have get help option, where we can access support, resources, tutorial and customer assistant. Now let me teach you how to create a broadcast message. So for that, firstly, we have to go on this broadcast option. Here on the top right hand side corner, you can see this button, Add Broadcast. So here we have to click. Now we are directed towards our WhatsApp broadcast page. Here we have this option for select broadcast type, broadcast name, also select the contact. Now let me tell you how to create a broadcast message from here. As I have mentioned earlier, broadcast message is perfect for announcement, sharing offers, promotion and timely updates. So firstly, we'll select this broadcast type from here and select broadcast campaign. Moving on, we have to give a broadcast name. So for that, I'll mention a name over here. For example, I am giving it as broadcast message for photography studio. Now moving further, we have this select contact list. Here we have to select this all unassigned contact like this, and you can select multiple contacts of your choice as well. Now moving on, we have this select message types. Here we have 2 options, pre-approved template message and regular message. In pre-approved template messages, we use template approved by WhatsApp. WhatsApp, and in regular message we use the regular messages. So today we'll move forward with pre-approved template message itself. So for selecting a template, we have to click on this select WhatsApp template option over here. So as you can see, this is the message templates which are approved by WhatsApp. So here I have already created a message template. After this, I'll show you step by step how you can create a template of your own. So firstly, I'll select this photography studio template like this, and here as you can see, this is my template. Here I have body field 1 for name and body field 2 for price. So firstly, I'll fill these details over here. As you can see, I have filled the body field 1 as name Nishi Rawat, which you can see here in the name field. Also body field 2 as price 5999, which you can see over here for price details. Now I have to click on this done button over here in the bottom like this, and successfully it has been fetched. Now before moving forward, let me tell you how you can create a WhatsApp template. So for that, you have to go to the left hand side of your screen and click on this template list. Now we are directed towards this page. From this page, we'll start creating our templates. Here we can organize template for easily access, scale communication with predefined message, ensuring efficient engagement and initiating conversation. So to start this process, firstly we have to click on this add template button over here in top right hand side corner. Now we have landed on this new template page where we can create our templates easily, which suits our requirement, enabling streamlined and consistent communication with our audience. So firstly, we have this button for select template category. So I'll select marketing over here. Now moving forward, we have to give a name for our template. So as you can see, I have given this a name of photography studio broadcast. You have to keep in mind that this is case sensitive, so you have to write all the alphabets in small case. Also, you can't use space, so you have to use this underscore for the space option. So now moving forward, we have to select language. So for that, we'll scroll down and come to this English UK language which we use, and it has been selected. Now for the template type, we have so many options: text, image, video, document, location, carousel, and limited time offer. So we'll simply move forward with text type. Now we have template header option over here. This is an optional category, so if you want, you can also give a header to your template. Now moving forward to the template format. Here I'll write my template format. So as you can see, I have written my template format over here, and to make this feel more dynamic, I have given this curly bracket 1 and curly bracket 2 over here. So for curly bracket 1, I'll add the sample value as name, and for curly bracket 2, here I have to mention the price. So I'll mention the price over here. You can see I have successfully entered name and price over here. Also, to make my text bold, I have used this asterisk sign. As you can see, this will make my text bold like this. Now moving forward to this template footer option. Here you can give a footer to your template, but I want to simply move forward. So I'll come to this interactive action section over here. Here we have 3 options: call to action, quick replies, and also all, which includes both call to action and quick replies. So I want to add a quick reply for my template, so I'll click on this, and now here I'll write contact us like this. If you want, you can add more quick replies from this button over here like this. Now moving forward, we have to submit this template like this. Clicking on the submit button. Just 2 to 3 minutes, your template will be approved like this. My photography studio broadcast template is being approved. Now I'll again take you back to my broadcast, fill the leftover categories. So like this, I have successfully entered my number. Now coming to the last option, that is for schedule broadcast. Here I have 2 options: yes, schedule for later, and no, send instantly. If I'll click on this yes, schedule for later, I can schedule my message template for sending it later. But if I want to send it instantly, I'll simply click on this, and now I'll go with this option. So for that, I simply have to click on this send test message like this. As you can see, test broadcast sent successfully. Now I'll again take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So as you can see, I again got this broadcast message. Also, I have all the details and a call to action for contact us. Similarly, like this, if you also own a photography studio business, you can create the same broadcast message and share the details of your offers, services, and price with all of your customers. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.